Okay, so the first step of solving the cubes is to get started on layer one. And so layer one for us is going to be the white center. So if you don't remember the orientations, make sure that you have a look at the cube anatomy video. So we want to set up the uh, white center as being the top, which means that the yellow center is going to be the bottom. And then we're going to solve for the x. And basically what that means is we're going to take the side pieces that have white, and there's four of them total. So we're going to take four side pieces that have the white color on them, and we're going to put them in the correct position on the top layer here. So you can see actually I already have the white and red piece on the top layer, and it's already matching the white here, but it's not matching the correct place here. Well, this is actually the easiest one that I've got. So I'm going to all I have to do is I just have to turn the top layer, and I'm going to turn it until I get to match the red and the white. Now that's pretty easy, but the trick is that I want to do everything else so that I don't mess this up. I want to keep that in the right place. So there's a few different situations, and we're going to try and I'm going to try and explain to you what they are. So I'm going to start with this piece here. So um, I've got a white and green piece here, and this white and green piece is on the side. And so what I want to do when I'm matching these things up is that basically I want to put this piece on the bottom, and I want the white piece to be facing down, and I want the green piece to be just on the side here. And so based on the position, you've got to do a couple of different things. So in this case, it's going to be pretty easy. If I want the white piece to be down, then I'm going to take this face here, and I'm just going to turn it so that the white piece goes down to the bottom. You can see it doing that right now. So I turn it to the bottom, and now the green piece is right there. So I've got the white is on the bottom next to the yellow center, and the green is here on the side. So there's two steps usually to matching things so that we can put them on the top layer. So the first step is to use the non-white color and match it to its center. So this one has to go around here to the green. So now I've matched this one, the two greens, and now of course the white is still on the bottom. But here's the easy thing. Once I match these up, then all I have to do is with the green facing me, I'm going to turn that face, and you see this was my white piece that was on the bottom. There it was on the bottom. And when I move it, now it is on the top. And there I've matched it up. So I now have white, white, green, green. And I have white, white, red, red. So now I've got to find the other missing pieces. Let's have a look. We're going to find there's two more white side pieces that I need. So let me see where they are. Well, here's one of them. One of them's on the bottom, and it's already there. But the problem is that this one on the bottom has the white piece on the side, and I want to get the white piece facing down. Remember? So I'm going to do this. I'm going to basically turn it like that so it's on the side. So it was right there. I'm going to turn it so that it's on the second layer, and then I'm going to move it down. Now it's on the bottom, just oops, right where I want it. Now what I did is I kind of messed up the top while I did that. So I want to make sure that I fix the top. So I messed up the green and the white. So here's the green and the white. And so I just have to turn that back again. That's all. So now it's lined up again. All right. So I have my orange and white on the bottom. There it is. Now, just like I did before, I'm going to match the orange with the orange side piece there, the orange center. There's the white, and I'm going to turn that so that I match up the top. And now I have both of them on there. Let's see. Oh, I also moved my blue out of the way, so I'm going to move that back up. All right, I only have one more to go. So to get my last one, I just got to find it. Here it is. It's on the side. It's the red and the white. I got to move it to the bottom, match up the red and the white there, or the red and the red, turn it to the top, and boom, I have that set up. I moved this out of the way, so I put that back, and now I have the cross all matched up with their centers.